What if I told you that you could launch a fully automated AI-powered fashion store in just 5 minutes, without buying a domain, paying for hosting, or hiring a web developer? Sounds unreal, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving into AI Shop App, a revolutionary AI-powered online shop builder that lets affiliate marketers, digital marketers, and e-commerce store owners create high-converting, automated fashion stores with ease. We'll cover key features and benefits, pros and cons, ratings, pricing breakdown, my final verdict, and who should use it. So, if you're looking to start an online business or make passive income through affiliate marketing, make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. AI Shop App is an AI-powered online shop builder that allows you to create a fully automated fashion store in just a few clicks. Unlike traditional e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, AI Shop App is fully cloud-based, no downloads or installations required. Preloaded with 2 million best-selling fashion products, start selling instantly. AI-powered automated traffic system, no need for paid ads. Affiliate ready, earn commissions from every sale. Essentially, it's a done-for-you, AI-driven solution that makes it easy for affiliate marketers, digital marketers, and e-commerce owners to launch their own profitable online store without any prior experience. AI Shop App eliminates the common challenges of setting up an online store. Let's break down the 4 major problems it solves. Problem 1. High Shopify and hosting costs. AI Shop App provides 100% free hosting and domain, so you don't have to pay for Shopify or external hosting services. Problem 2. Time-consuming store setup. Traditional e-commerce store setup takes days or even weeks. AI Shop App builds your fashion store in under 5 minutes. Problem 3. Expensive marketing and traffic generation. With its AI-powered automated traffic system, you can drive targeted buyers to your store without running ads. Problem 4. No experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, AI Shop App does all the heavy lifting, from store design to product sourcing and traffic generation. Like any software, AI Shop App has its pros and cons. Let's take a look. Pros: 100% cloud-based, no downloads or installations required. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, risk-free trial. 100% free hosting, no additional domain or hosting fees. Preloaded with 2M best-selling products, no need for manual product research. AI-powered automated traffic, saves marketing costs. Great for affiliate marketers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. Cons: no live chat support or social media integration. No demo video or training provided. Overall, AI Shop App is a powerful tool, but keep in mind that it's best suited for beginners and affiliate marketers rather than advanced e-commerce owners looking for full customization. Pricing and offers. Now, let's talk about pricing. AI Shop App comes in 4 different plans depending on your needs. AI Shop App Basic, $17, includes essential features to build an automated store. AI Shop App Agent, $47, unlocks additional AI-powered automation and customization options. AI Shop App Automation, $37, provides extra automation features for better efficiency. AI Shop App Reseller, $97, allows you to sell AI Shop App as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. If you're just getting started, I'd recommend the Basic or Agent plan, but if you want full automation and reseller rights, the Reseller plan is the best investment. Before we wrap up, here's my rating for AI Shop App based on key factors. User-friendly, April 5th pricing, 3 out of 5. AI store creation, March 5th traffic automation, 3/5 software performance, 4 out of 5. Overall rating, 3.8/5, a solid choice for AI-powered online stores. Who is it for? And final verdict. So, who should use AI Shop App? Affiliate marketers, monetize an AI-powered fashion store with affiliate commissions. Digital marketers, create multiple online stores and scale easily. Beginners in e-commerce, start an online business without investing in inventory or paid ads. Final verdict: if you're looking for a fast, AI-driven way to build an online fashion store without spending big on hosting, domains, or marketing. iShop app is 100% worth considering. However, if you're expecting advanced customization, social media integration, or live chat support, this may not be the right fit for you. But for beginners and affiliate marketers, it's a solid AI-powered solution to get started with online selling effortlessly. Want to try iShop app? Click the link in the description to get started today. If you found this review helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you use an AI-powered store builder? Let me know. Turn on notifications for more AI-powered product reviews.